this week was mostly about doing the AC work, the AC rough in. The guest bedroom is gonna have these two vents, 8x10s. The return is gonna be on this lower area. Here we're gonna have this vent here. The thermostat is gonna go right next to the switch box. And then here in the kitchen, we're gonna have an outlet right under the drawer, the cabinet drawer, another under this cabinet here. We also removed that window and did the siding. The AC on the guest bathroom is gonna be right here. This is where the return is gonna go, pulling air from the living area and kitchen. Here in the master bedroom, we're gonna have these two outlets, and we're gonna have both the return from the guest bedroom and the main bedroom. In the office, these two here, and we're gonna have a return going right down here with a plenum. And we started doing the electrical rough, pulling most of the cables out, but we want to wait until the AC guys finish their ducts so we don't interfere with them. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.